Hello.
And we're back.
Welcome to another little episode of Laundry Day Life.
Today, we're going to find the perfect white t-shirt.
Honestly, it sounds so simple, but it is one of the hardest things to do.
I agree, because it's literally, they're always too long or too short, the sleeves aren't right, they're too baggy.
They're too thin, they're too thick, they're too clingy.
I agree. So actually, I have gone to the mall and, like a crazy person, went to every single store and found every white t-shirt I could find. We're going to try them on today and see what we like.
We're going to completely pick them apart and figure out what we love about them and what we don't.
I like it.
Perfect.
Also, you'll notice it's white wine. We thought about red, but
The
that would have
white
been a
tea?
mistake. Like, no. All right, so
There's tip number one. Drink white wine and a white t-shirt.
like it. Okay, where shall we start? Just left to right, let's get going.
Like a book.
All right, so we'll start with Made Well. It's made well. So this one's cute. It's a V-neck. I'm gonna go try it on. We'll see how we like it. All right, we've got number one, first contender. It's cute, right? I like it. It's a V-neck, obviously.
I'm always a fan of a V-neck, and I love a slightly slubbed t-shirt. That's my personal preference when I'm always looking.
That's industry speak for, if you look, there's a little kind of
Striation.
like little, dots in the fabric.
Yeah, what I love about a V-neck is if you have girls and you're wearing a crew neck, you automatically almost look a little bit bigger. And so I like that it shows some skin to have a V-neck. Hence, I love a V-neck.
I will tell you, you're wearing a pocket. I'm not 100 on the pocket because I feel like it looks a little more casual and it makes it less versatile.
Definitely more casual.
Yeah. But cute. I like it. And actually, it's less than $20. It's $19.50.
Yeah, I'd say that's a very strong contender.
Strong choice. Number two.
Okay, moving right along.
1901.
All right. Mm-hmm.
All right, we've got option two here.
All right. Very different.
It is very different. I like it, actually. It's a crew neck, which is good. I like it. It's 1901. I got it at Nordstrom, and it's $29, I
It's
think.
very flattering on you, the shape of it. It's got like a good kind of stretch to it. So it hugs the curves.
Yeah. I kind of wish the sleeves were like just so slightly longer.
Either longer or short.
Yeah, one direction or the other. But the shoulders are good and broad, I think, and
It's a fairly classic white t-shirt.
fairly classic. There you go. You want a plain white tee? You got one.
Oh, I do like the plain white tees. Numero tres.
The perfect tee. So this is the J. Crew Perfect Tee.
I mean,
Hard to argue. I like it.
I was going to say, it does basically have the perfect fit they claim. I like that it's a little bit of a boat neck, scoop neck. Like, it's not a hug,
Right. Yeah.
hugging crew neck. I don't like when there's no skin showing. Again, it goes back to if you feel like you're a little bigger, I think it's more flattering to show some skin and not have something hug your face.
It's a crew neck where you can still see your collarbone just enough.
Collarbones are crucial.
I agree. I like it. So
Yeah.
strong contender in my mind.
Okay.
Now we've got an Eileen Fisher.
Okay, number 4.
All right, we've got option 4. This is Eileen Fisher, which I feel like is more of an adult brand, but I'm more of an adult now.
We
and I
pretend.
kind of like it, to be honest with you. It's nice. It's obviously a very different kind of thing. It's a lot more blousey.
I don't know that it's the most flattering on you because you do have such a great shape and figure to you.
I gotta keep you in my back pocket. I like you.
But I feel like it's not flattering. I can see it with super ripped up shorts, very casual, maybe over a swimsuit and a beat. Like it doesn't lend itself to being dressed up for you because it's so loose
I think
fitting.
the slub and the loose fit combo.
Slub.
Right? It's a loose slub, which I think maybe is not the way we should go.
I do see that it is a more mature brand in the sense that it does have the longer sleeves.
Yeah.
It has the rounding at the bottom because when you do leave something untucked and it has that rounding at the bottom, it automatically brings your waist in like an illusion.
I think it just looks more finished. Actually, I like the rounding at the bottom.
Yeah, so it is a little bit more
Also,
of a flattering illusion.
pretty sure this was the most expensive of the options,
Oh.
or maybe second to most.
Well, then, I don't know. I don't know.
It's quality. There it is.
Well, I'm not giving away any of my opinions yet.
Speaking of not the most expensive, Gap.
All right. All right, next.
Gap. So,
That seems like a very classic t-shirt.
sure, hard to argue.
I feel like it looks like a Gap t-shirt.
It does. It looks. Yes. Why is it so distinctive? It really does. It has actually almost like a Fruit of the Loom almost kind of thing. It's just kind of lived in, casual.
I feel like they've done a commercial where every single person is wearing the basic t-shirt so that it is ingrained in you what a Gap t-shirt looks like.
Right. So we've got a shorter sleeve here, which
Like?
fine, yeah. You know, maybe if you did like if you tied it up or something, you know, kind of did like
Well, you
that.
know, I'm a fan of the European tuck, which is just
a faux tuck.
a faux tuck. So another fun styling fact, the faux tuck is really good if you do have a belly because
Faux tuck.
it gives the illusion around your gut. It doesn't accentuate it, it actually hides it behind the faux tuck or the European tuck. Yeah,
Basic
simple,
plain white
basic, classic. And it was $20.
$20.
All right.
Last choice. Here it is. Rag and Bone.
Ooh, I do love some rag and bone.
All right. Last choice, but not least. Definitely not least because it is, in fact, the most expensive at $85. But it's cool.
That is so my style. I'm going to go back and reuse this overused word now in this video of slub. The cool thing about a slub is that it almost appears like it's kind of sheer, I suppose. And if you wear flesh-colored things underneath, you won't see them at all.
Which is what you for sure should wear underneath.
A white.
Don't ever, it drives me crazy. First of all, you probably shouldn't even own one. Don't ever wear a white bra under a white shirt. You should always go with a nude bra, or if you want to see your bra, wear a color. That's fun. Don't do white, because you still see it.
You see it. It doesn't disappear under a white t-shirt.
But then you're just wearing a dumpy white bra and everyone knows.
And that's why I always say flesh-colored as well, because flesh-colored can mean different things. And if you wear something that's a shade too dark or a shade too light, it will show up like a white bra. So you do need to match your own skin tone. And if you wear a flesh-colored bra, you won't see anything. No matter if you look at these and they look sheer, once they're on the body, they're not.
Yeah. So this is another slub. It's another V-neck slub. And actually, I love the way this fits.
I'm really obsessed with that fit.
Cool.
It's so casual cool.
It is casual cool. So if you're looking for something a little bit more spiffy, probably not it. But if you're looking just for
Yes. It
chill.
definitely is an investment. Like you said, it's
T-shirt and
$85. Netflix and chill, t-shirt and chill. I feel like we should create t-shirt and chill.
T-shirt and
I would
chill.
do that.
Well, anyway. It's cute, though. It's really a cool look. I feel cool. I'd wear this.
Yeah, I do enjoy it.
All right. So that was our last choice. I'm going to hang it back up, and we will make our final call.
As for the perfect tee.
What do you think about it? Right.
Okay.
Okay, we've got all of our
Selection process. Oh, and by the way, my European tuck, my little faux
You've
tuck.
got a faux tuck. I've got a tie.
I do the faux tuck because I'm a size 10-12 and I do carry all my weight in the middle. And if I leave my shirt untucked, you can actually see a little bit of my pooch in my shirt. But if I do the faux tuck, it looks like it's just the blouse of the t-shirt and it hides that it's actually my stomach. It is what it is.
I like it, girl.
And I, again, always wear a V-neck. I am wearing a Target. This is Target, I believe it was $18. I don't know that it's the perfect tee.
It's cute though, it works.
But it has the qualities of what we've been talking about. A V-neck, it's long enough. But I do like some of these better.
I do.
Okay.
Okay, how are we gonna do this? I'll reach and I'll grab my favorite, and you reach and you grab your favorite. And then
Okay.
we'll fight if it's the same.
All right, are you ready?
That's our drum roll.
Okay. And
Go.
go.
Oh, girl! The Madewell.
I know.
Okay.
You know what? I'm actually surprised. I want to pick Rag and Bone.
I know you do.
But
I'm
the
so
fact
surprised.
that it's $85, it is not perfect.
Okay.
I feel like the perfect tee is something that's super attainable for a lot of people. And this is a slub and a V. Now, it does have the pocket, which does lend itself to possibly being a little more casual.
But if you're already slub and V anyway, might as well commit.
Yeah, and I feel like this would be flattering on multiple body types.
Plus, if you wanted it to be a little bit of that blousier fit like the Rag & Bone, you could just
Buy a bigger
size bigger. No problem. There you are.
And then you've got the Rag & Bone fit. So the price tag makes it my perfect choice.
Fair enough. My favorite is the Perfect J. Crew tee. I love it. I think it's just simple, basic. Dress it up, dress it down.
Yeah.
Accessorize it. Nothing's getting in the way. I like the weight of the fabric.
Nice.
It's my choice.
And I can see how that one can be dressed up if you put a statement necklace or something on it. The material lends itself.
I mean, you put this even with a skirt, like tucked in. That'd be so cute.
It's actually really thick and soft.
I know.
too.
It feels really good. Well, hey.
Perfect tea collection.
Yeah.
Done.
Woohoo. See you next time.